is Photoshop? How do I edit beautiful photos? And how do I improve drafts? These are all things that we're going to cover in this class and more. Welcome to Photoshop 1 Image Editing. My name is Chloe Ellingham, and I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about myself, about the structure of this class, and about what to expect for the semester. I'm a new professor here. Some of you may have had one of my classes last semester, and I have a background in children's book illustration and animation. I earned my bachelor's degree in illustration at Columbus College of Art and Design, and I earned my associate's degree in animation here in the D&D program at OCCC. I tend to approach these classes from an art and concept design side, but the thing about Adobe programs is that they can be used for a vast array of disciplines. Okay, let's talk about structure. First of all, right here in the welcome section, you'll find a get to know you questionnaire. It's about 10 questions and it's worth 2 points of your grade. It's really important that you turn that in because I need it to prove that you joined this class and didn't accidentally sign up for it. Okay, after that, I'll open sections of the class 1 week at a time, so you should always know what week we're on and what the topic is. You'll find lecture videos and demo videos which you'll need to watch in order to understand the lesson. That questionnaire and every assignment after that will be due the following Sunday at 11:59 p.m. All assignments are worth 10 points, including the revision points. It's important to get your work in on time because the next thing that you'll see are the critique and revision assignments. So your work needs to be turned in so that it can be critiqued. If you turn your work in late, I'll take a point off for every week that it's not turned in. You'll be expected to do at least one critique on each other's assignments every week. I will also be posting critique on each assignment. Okay, and then with that critique, you'll be able to do your revision, and then that revision will be due the following Sunday. Receiving good critique and applying changes to your projects is the fastest way to improve as an artist and a designer. You can post your critiques either with the forum post, SyncSketch, or Flipgrid. Some of you might find it easier to type your feedback, some of you might find it easier to speak to the camera, and some of you might find it easier to draw on each other's work. I recommend trying each method at least once and see what works best for you and what you like to receive the most as well. You'll have 6 assignments, each of them will be worth 10 points, then you'll have a midterm assignment worth 15 points and a final portfolio project which is also worth 15 points. Make sure that you're saving your assignments for the final project. You can also earn extra credit up to 5 points. 3 critiques equals 1 extra credit point. All of this is listed in the course syllabus in case you forget. Also, we have a class Discord that's available to all D&D students to join. It's new, but it's becoming more and more active, and it's a good way to socialize with each other, find and share links to inspiration and tutorials, ask for help from your friends, share your work, and draw and design together. I'm so excited to see what you guys make this semester. If you need any help, you can reach me at my email. It's chloe.k.ellingham@occc.edu. I have office hours in the main building in room 1C4B, and I'm there on Tuesdays and Thursdays between 10 and 4 p.m. We also have some great tutors in the Mac labs and on the 3rd floor of the library in case you need any help. And if you ever need to schedule a time to meet with me outside of my office hours, that can be arranged as well, either on Zoom or in person. I am looking forward to the semester. I hope you are too, and I'll see you in the next video.